nothing vela, crankshaft problem. Okay, start over. Okay guys, as you can see, this VW, it have a crankshaft problem, and I'm trying to rectify it today, but I have very small spaces here. It's not a big spaces, I have low light, and yeah, and when you look in the engine, I actually cannot see nothing. So I have a flashlight here, and I want to start doing some work now, and I will remove this part of the bumper, and then maybe when I remove it I can start taking parts off. Okay, all right. Okay, now I try to put this van in a service position. So just look what I'm doing, and if you can learn some knowledge from it or any senses from this video I'm making.
But me can't see where you pull.
You know, did it? No one suppose to take it sometime in your hand. So here are 3 screws, and I will loose all the screws on this side. 1 big screws, and here I have another one. So I will remove it, and then you can see. As I said, it's a little bit dark inside because eventually I don't have any current run here inside, so it's dark, and it is really warm inside because it's a very hot days, 40 grad, so it's like I'm sweating. All right. Now I took the screw out, and eventually I'm going to put this inside here to hold the bumper. Alright. Just as I said, guys, I have limited space. This is Germany, and Germany always have a space problem, okay? So I just have to work with the space I have. The screw give me a hard time to come out, but I'm going there. Okay, I take one out already, and now I want to find the second one, and it's up here, and I'm going to pull this. All of the screw on this, the wings, it have to come out. Because okay, I'm going to do the same thing at the other side, and okay. Okay, first screw. Oh, it is killing me, guys. It's warm inside here. 40 grade outside, and I'm burning up inside. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this away so I can put a wood underneath or something like that. Okay. Okay, so I hope it hold it like this, and I have to put this VW in a service position. Okay, I will take these two screw and you have two at the other side. See? Okay, then I take two from the other side. I take the lamp here as well. Okay. is right, I should be able to pull all this to the front. Yeah, it pull a little bit, but there is maybe something holding it back, so I pull this side again. So I go to this side and I pull. Okay, so some screws are still holding it, so I'm going to look where those screws are. Okay, now I have space. Yeah. Make it too. I believe I have to take this off and take some parts off, because how we said it should be done, I do everything, but nothing like that, because I still don't have no space inside here to work. It's limited inside. So as you can see, there is no space. I want to pull this, but there's no space there, so I have to take off the front. Alright, put it here. Okay. Okay. Stop video on it so that I hold this. This screw at the side, that's the reason why I never get this more out. So I'm going to pull it and look if it's going to come out. So when I do that, okay, you want to. Okay, that's to the service position should I go. Do so. Okay. like a screwdriver bottom, no? Yeah? Wonder if it could be like a screwdriver bottom. Okay, this is how everything look right now. I do all of it off camera because it was too many work to do. It was a lot of work, guys, and I do all of this off camera because it was really hard, no? And my garage is full of parts and I just have only this small light here. And I just have a little small space to do this, guys. But it's going to work because I'm going to do my best and let it work. Yeah. This part of the engine, I will clean it now. I will put some engine cleaner or something to clean this part of the engine because it's really dirty bad, so I have to clean it. Okay, but I try to clean the engine with some brake cleaner. Some part of it are clean, but it doesn't work so well. Normally this engine need a power wash. Yeah, it's need a power wash. But I'm going to start taking some parts now. I will take this off, this piece, and then I will see what I do next. It's the first time I'm doing this job. First time I'm trying to do this job, but I hope it worked well. To this part, it was a lot of work to this part. Okay, so right now I will take this off. This is the holder for the engine, and when I take this off, I will put it and I will turn the engine so the mark can line up. Okay, but it's a lot of work, guys. Okay, I'm at it again, guys, early in the morning, and I'm trying to do my best today. Okay, so I try to remove this, but it's very hard. Okay, as I tell you guys, it's the first time I'm doing this work, but I'm trying to do it my best. So I'm going to lose this screw, all of the screw. Okay. So now I release the pressure from the crankshaft. Okay, this screw you can always just start at one point and start give a small crack. Crack it again. Okay. You can come like here and give it a small crack. You don't have no special way how to pull the screw. You can start at one point and pull all of them go down. Oh, inside look bad. It looking really bad inside. I have a lot of cleaning up to do. I have to clean all of this. It really, wow, it's really a disaster inside here. Normally I should just change this whole thing. This car has run 200 miles. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take this part off. I'm going to take this part off now, and then I can set the engine timing, because I did want to take out this, but it's giving me a hard time to get out. So I'm going to take this off so I can get out this and time the engine. Oh, a lot of dirt in this one. I don't have a compressor, so I do it this way. Okay. I have to get underneath the seal. Get it off. Okay, without doing this, I would never get this cap off. So now I have it off. What I can do next, I can just rotate the engine and put it in the position to remove the other parts. Okay, I turn this. Normally this screw have a mark on it to line up with a mark right here. But I don't have the correct tool. I just have an aftermark tool from eBay, and I believe it will work because all I have to do now is just check if I have the timing up at the top and if I have it on the other side as well. And then I can start remove parts. Okay, I can check here. And as you can see, here's like a bit straight. Okay, then I have to check at this point. There's a mark on this wheel. I have to check for it. Okay guys, we have a very hot day today. I'm inside the garage, but it's really hot inside because we have today 41 grad and it's so hot inside. And really I don't have any space inside. When I'm inside, I don't have any space inside too. Much space to move around. I just have a limited space. Yeah, this is in Germany. Germany weather is hot now, guys. But I have to do the work because I need the bus to go on holiday next week. So I have to finish up. Yeah. I have some big problem with it. I bought this tool in eBay and I paid €80 for this tool. And this tool should set the timing on this bus. But it didn't work that well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set the timing with some mark. I'm going to mark here, there, and I'm going to mark the top. And down here I'm going to do the same thing underneath it. And yes, we have a mark here, so I'm going to go by this mark. So I don't need the tool. I'm going to fix this bus without the tool, guys. So that's it. Okay, so now I'm going to put a mark right here. Right here. So there I have my mark, guys. Okay. Maybe I should put a little one right here too. Yeah, this one I see this one better. Yeah. Because mistake is not allowed when you're doing this type of job. Okay? There is no mistake allowed with this type of job. So, and right here, I want to put a mark right there. And the next mark, I can put it right here. So if I do this, and this is the top, guys. So now you know this is the top. So the next, I'm going to torque this down to 40 Newton meter. That's it. I'm looking if my tool sit properly, and when it sit properly I can go ahead and move this bolt. Okay, I take out this part here, I give it a little bit of waggle in and here, and then it come out. Oh, and this one look really bad. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to clean it right here.
It's too small, it's space small, so you have to walk to go in, and then you go in and you just walk.
So I'm going to spray some of this spray. No, this is Brim's brake cleaner is this, and I'm looking for a different spray. Okay, maybe this one. I use this one. Oh, this look really, really bad condition. Okay, so I spray something on it, so let it work its way, and then I try to take this off with this. Alright, first one. Second one. Oh, it's fly off. Okay. Third one, it's gone. Okay. And I'm going to take the pliers, because this is really hard here. I'm going to take the pliers and hold it a bit, and then I can take it off. But first I have to find the pliers. Where it is. You have to be careful with this part. Careful with this part. This wasn't so good. Okay, and then okay, that's it. I have it, and that's it. So now I can take it off like this. Okay, and I'm going to spray it again. Spray cannot too much. Because it's in bad condition and need to clean. So I use a soft piece of tuck and the soft this. You can spray it again to make sure it clean properly. Spray it again, okay? Yes. Okay, now I go over this part with the soft. This cloth is soft here. So now I can just get the new one. Okay, the new one. First one. This is the big one. The big one go at the top. So you just hold it like this. And you can use this tool. And you can try to get it over. It's very easy. Alright. Don't twist it. Okay. And the first one is done. Now this is the second one. The second one is the same thing. You hold it like this and you use this tool and you get it over. That is done. Then come this green one. It come right here. And okay, that's over. And then I want to make sure everything is clean. I get this copper one. I make sure everything here is clean and no dirt that can give problems. So light condition is very bad here, so let's do it like this. Okay, so now this little small one is what hold it in space there. So it's this small one had to go on, huh? So push it on and you use it, and this is what hold it in space from come off. Okay, we take this out as well. This, when you change, you change everything. You just the light condition is not so. I believe I go outside to do this one. Outside now, I have brighter light outside here. So. Okay, that's it. And now I'm going to put in the new one inside of it. Oh, sometimes it's going fast, sometimes it takes time. I don't know why this one chose to give me trouble now. And you can use this. But this tool is good. And then you just pop it inside. So, okay. This here first, then I can clean these parts. You see? Clean and everything. Look good again. Okay? Then My next step is I put some oil on it. Make sure you put some oil on it. Oil, guys. See? Oil it. But when it get down in there, the gummy can go down easily. If not, you don't oil it, the gummy not going to get down easily, okay? Alright. Then I put this part here and I try to go inside with it. Okay. Okay, that was it. I have to clean out the hole. All of this hole. It's full with dirt inside. Ah. When you don't have the right tool, guys, like a compressor, it's difficult, huh? All of these walls are somehow black. It should come out. I don't saw it anymore. So I have to sand this, file it down, and that it can go inside here to screw this last one. Oh shit. Oh, there's blood inside of it. Let me see. Oh. It don't look so bad as I thought. still have a look. This is inside of it. Look how it look. Okay. This one wear out. Very bad. Oh, them wear out bad. Yes. Okay. Them look bad. Them look bad inside. Okay, them look bad. So this is very important, guys, that oil on it. Oil cannot too much, guys. Cannot too much oil. Can't too much. Sometimes they go a little bit hard. Maybe you have to give them a little spin and like that it go down. A little bit more oil, because oil cannot be too much. Okay, so make sure you put in this thing properly.